Hey guys, Todd here with Great Escape Farms. Today we are taking a pallet, actually several pallets. We have a couple parts pallets here, and we are making basically a sign using pallets for marketing, if you will. And what needs to be done, let's run through the process here, is we removed all the boards except for the top one and removed the spaces. So we removed the boards, moved them all up so that there were no spaces. Then we actually ended up screwing them back in and added a couple at the bottom because we had excess here. And here's what we ended up with right here. So we painted them black and we added a couple of slats right here going back to prop it up, and a slat going across the back. And again, the slats are just the boards from the top of a pallet here, and there's my parts pallet back there. The 2x4s are just scrap blocks that I had around. The fence right here, or the wire, is left over from a high tensile fence, and the staples right here are left over from another fence project that I had. And I put in some lag bolts here, and what that allows it to do is, let me see if I can do this, is I can fold it up and we can basically have it flat for transport, because we plan on making up 4 or 5 of these. And then what we do is when we get where we're going, we just kind of kick it out and pull this back and lay it out. So it is portable. The only downside that I found so far is it's rather heavy with all the wood on here. So I'm going to run it over to the place that we're taking it to later on, hopefully today. If not today, then tomorrow. And let's see, what are we going to do with this? So we have a plain black board here. I was looking for white paint, couldn't find white paint. So we ended up getting, I can't remember, it's fluorescent orange or yellow. You'll see near the end of the video here. And we're going to basically put, this is for a farmer's market, so we're going to say farmer's market today 10 to 2 with an arrow pointing and 1 mile up the road, and just trying to use it for marketing along a main highway, because we're about a mile off of the main highway, and the more traffic we can get, the better for all of us at the market. So let's see, what am I into this for? Every single thing that you see here is scrap and has cost $0, with the exception of the paint and the brushes. The paint and the brushes, we had to go out and get that, but hey, that's absolutely worth it if we can get some more people at the market and get some sales going. So my wife is going, because she is much neater at stuff than I am, especially detail work, my wife is going to go ahead and paint this up, and I'll do a parting shot, and then we'll run it on up to the place where this is going to go. And my wife had the brilliant idea of doing the first draft in chalk. So this way we can kind of get a feel for size and all. Now she's going to paint over that. So here is the almost finished product. You'll notice there's some light blue on it, and that was chalk that we used to put the letters on. So my wife came up with that idea, just brilliant, and it worked fine. Everything's spaced out the way we want. Okay, so this is the final product here, all cleaned up, painted, ready to go. So I am getting ready to deliver this. And one other thing I just added just now was a little hook up front, or a fence staple, and that is to connect a balloon on, so it gets a little more attention when somebody is driving down the road. And here are 2 additional signs. Murphy is helping me show this one. So this one is for right outside the place. So I have arrows pointing to the left from this side and to the right from this side. That way they can put up one sign and cover both sides of the road there. And then for the opposite direction on the main highway, we have this one showing that it is 1 mile off. Now you notice on this pallet, I didn't actually remove the boards and put them together. I had way the heck too much waste there. So my wife and I talked, and this seemed to be okay. It had enough spaces and all. So we'll check with the people running the market. Hopefully this will work for them. Let us know what you think in the comment section, and please have a wonderful day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.